Hi guys, how you doing again? Nice to see you all. This is an unboxing. This is from Paul Murray, and whoever doesn't know Paul Murray must be sleeping underneath a rock lately. No, this Paul was so gracious to send me this because he's tired of seeing me getting up and making a coffee in the morning.
Oh, but he thought of you, not me.
Yeah, so he says
I gotta get up and make coffee in the morning too.
So he says he'll make my coffees faster in the morning. So he decided to buy me a Hamilton Beach coffee maker, which I'm very, very happy to have. Thank you so much, Paul, again. I'm telling you, I swear to you, Paul is really too kind. Okay, now this thing's going to be a little tricky.
I wonder if he'll adopt me. He's got all those wonderful toys.
Okay, this has to come out sideways. Okay, hold on.
Ooh, egg carton. Man.
Okay.
Look, instruction book. Oh, you got some reading to do, Raj. It's got pictures. I'll stand back.
That's on the side, so I'm going to have to bring her up. Dang, Paul, I'm telling you the truth, really happy. So gotta get a knife for this here. Really happy about this, Paul. Hey, Kim, you can fly through that.
Yeah.
Oh man, this might be a little bit longer video.
I'll have to talk quicker.
Oh, for 12 cups.
Oh, great. Our addiction is now increased. So if I'm jittery after the 4th cup, we know who to blame.
And now...
Oh, Jesus, we almost lost it, Paul.
Turn this thing around.
Look at that.
Oh, very nice indeed.
Apollo 20, can you hear us? Come in. Sorry.
It has the water gauge here on the side. That's for the water. I'm going to do 1 cup at a time too, which I'm very happy about. Oh wow, very nice. It has its filters.
Look, it's... What's that? It's squeezed lemons? Oh, okay.
There you go.
What's this do?
That's let's put your cup on there.
It's crooked?
Yeah, well, it's good.
I think you broke it already, Paul.
No. That's where you put your water in for your single cups. Very nice, Paul. Thank you so much again, Paul Murray. And whoever doesn't know who Paul Murray is, like I said before, must be living under a rock. So check out Paul Murray's channel. His name is Paul Murray, Port Huron.
Sorry.
Okay, Paul. Thank you guys for watching this video. And give us a thumbs up. If you want to give a thumbs down, what the hell? Depends how you feel. Okay, guys. Goodbye, everybody.
What's that movie?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Goodbye, everybody.